Welcome back to another episode. Today we're going to go to the Reed gold mine. So come along with us for this golden opportunity to see what we can see. Pulling into the parking lot, you can see there is plenty of parking. Entering the visitor center, you will see a small but very good museum and learning center. If the introduction video is already playing in the theater when you enter, I suggest you take advantage of the time and explore the museum like we did. At the time of this video, Reed Gold Mine, located in Midland, North Carolina, was open Tuesday through Saturday and admission was free. Guided tours of the mine can be purchased on certain days and times for a nominal fee. So check their website for more information. Link in the description box below. As I mentioned before, the first thing that is suggested as you enter the Reed Gold Mine Visitor Center is to watch a movie about the history of the area. Of course, I could not video any of the excellent presentation due to copyright issues, but this is what the theater looked like. After the video, you exit the Visitor Center into a short tunnel that leads you to the Reed Gold Mine Trail. Here you will see more examples of historic tools used in the gold mine. Now, being in a coal mine is really cool, and I do mean that as in cool. It's a little chilly, so if that does bother you, you might want to bring a jacket. Just a hint. Now, there is a section of the mine that does have stairs. You can always turn around and go back, but if you can do stairs, do the stairs. There's a lot more up there to see. I can feel it starting to get a lot warmer. Yep, and there's the exit. Now, going up those stairs and coming out the mine shaft exit, there's a little walking area. Go up there, continue up. You'll find some interesting stuff. And again, continue on. There's some cement steps, which I'll take you up here in a moment, to see a few other things. This is the remnants of the engine house. There's the chimney. There's actually 3 versions of the engine house here. There's a lot of walking on this one. It's fun. I don't mind it, but there's a lot of walking. Let's keep going. Now, supposedly when you come to the intersection down here, you make a left. So we're going to do that. And right here is the bedstone for the grinding of the different quartz. And this and those in the background are the examples of the stones they use to help do the milling, so to speak. Okay, now we go down the hill. More walking. Now, once you start going down this hill, you will see something to your right. It's called an adit, A-D-I-T. And what it is, it's a horizontal type of a dig. And it's kind of a mining technique, as you can see. Let's continue on the tour. And you come upon this building. It says Stamp Mill. So this is, I guess, the Stamp Mill. So there you go. Now right next to the Stamp Mill is the old 1896 trail, which goes right around the back. I'm going to take it and see what's there. Just what I thought. More trail. Ooh. But on the back side, the Stamp Mill is open. So let's go in and see what we can see. Now I guess you can get this from the visitor center through another trail, because as you can see here, there is an elevator that will help those who cannot make the stairs up to the second floor to see the actual stamp itself. Okay, just to give you a scale of how big this is, you saw that lady right next to the to the stamper. So this thing is huge. You can see those metal pieces right there. They kind of came down and kind of hammered things. This place must have been extremely loud. And I don't think they had a type of headphones we do now. So probably a lot of deaf people. That's why probably in all those movies you saw the old people go, huh? What? That's why. I'm sure of it. I'm just making it up. I don't know. Now, if you want to see an even better view, I believe there's an overlook up there. We're going to climb up and find out. Yeah, as you can see in the hopper right there, there's plenty of quartz for them to pummel. And then walking around the side, you can see the big wheel over here. And I'm sure if he was standing there when that bout took loose, you probably wouldn't feel too well afterward. Pretty much guaranteed. And all that big thing was ran by this little steam engine right here. Incredible. But it worked. Of course, down below there looked like the sifter. Kind of took all the quartz, kind of shook it through, and helped to find the gold if there was any in there, or any other precious kind of commodities. Alrighty, so back out to the trail. Now again, this puts us back out to the old 1896 trail. Let's go ahead and follow that. See where it goes. Now I guess you saw that I don't have my external microphone with me. I didn't want to take the zoom out. Oh, by the way, if you want to know what I'm talking about, the zoom, I'll put a link down below, or you know, one of those information things if you're looking on a computer. Because I didn't know exactly what we were going to be doing, how much climbing we're going to have to do, of course how sweaty I was going to get. I didn't know if that was going to, you know, hurt the microphone or not, so I didn't want to risk it. So I left it back in the car. So hopefully this turns out okay. Hopefully you can hear me all right. If not, I apologize. But that's the way it is. Okay, let's continue on with the tour. Now this is the Little Meadow Creek, where the first gold was found in the area in 1799. Heading back to the visitor center, you will see the panning area. Panning for gold is fun, but is an extra charge. The tickets can be purchased inside the visitor center. Well, thank you for coming along with me to read Goldmine. I'd really appreciate it if you could like this video, write a comment, and please subscribe. Oh, and hit that bell while you're at it. And as always, have a great day.